Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be the 7th video of our database question series. So in the previous video we talked about the update query, and in this video we're going to talk about the delete query based on a question. So let's get into our question. So the question says, there is a computer company called Next Computer. All the marketing in the company is done using a computer software. The software is used with database to store data. The product table of that database is given below. So they have given us all the data in product table. So let's move on to our second question. Sorry, the first question. So the first question says, create a database named Next Computer to save all the data in the product table. So let's go ahead and create our database first. So as the previous video, I'm going to use the HeidiSQL software for our database. So first click on your connection and create new and click on database. So type your database name, which is going to be Next Computer. Click on OK, and now you guys can see the database is successfully created. So let's move on to our second question. So the second question says, create a table named product in your database. Follow the instructions below to create a table. So they have given us the column names and the data types. This table is a bit different from the tables that we had from previous videos, because they all had the data type as varchar, but here you can see there are different data types like int and double. There's varchar as well. So let's go ahead and create our table. So first of all, right click on Next Computer and click on create and go to table. So the table name is gonna be the product. Yes, it's gonna be product. So product, and at your first column it's gonna be ID, and we have to put ID as the primary key and auto increment. So let's type ID and put it on auto increment and make it the primary key. So the next column is going to be brand and model, which is going to be watch and 45 length. So brand is going to be Archer. So Archer 45 in length. Next column is going to be model. It's going to be watch and 45 length. And the fourth column is going to be quantity and price. I'm gonna quantity, and the next one is going to be price. So quantity is going to be int because it's a number, and price is going to be double. So click on save, and now we have created our table. So let's go and see what the next question says. Insert the data into the product table you created. Use the data in the product table above. So we need to add these data to the table that we created. So I'll add this data off camera. So like that, I have entered the data that was given in the previous table. So let's go ahead and see what the next question says. So the next question says, the owner of this store has identified the Lenovo brand as the least sold computer brand in this company. He has decided to remove the Lenovo brand from his store. Write the relevant query statement to remove the Lenovo brand. So the query that we are going to use is the delete query. So the delete query is used to delete existing data or records from a table. So to execute the delete query, First, type delete, and then from. After that, state your table name inside to where we are senders, product, uh, and state your location where brand, the column name, brand equals Lenovo, and the semicolon. So click on this button to execute your query, and if you refresh your database, you can see the Lenovo row has been deleted. So let's move on to the final question. So the final question says the Asus brand ROG M15 laptop has no longer manufactured, so it has been decided to remove from this database. Write the required delete query statement. So for this, we can write like the same query, and instead of Lenovo, we can put Asus. But if we do this, the thing that could happen is there is three models of the same brand, Asus ROG and A410MA and the notebook. So if we executed this query, all three products will be deleted. So we need to be more specific. So I'm going to add and we are going to state the model also, which is gonna be this model. So we're gonna copy paste that there. Now once we executed this query and refresh our database, now you can see the model that we wanted to be deleted is gone. And that's gonna be it for today's video. I will be hoping to meet you guys in the next video. Thank you.